welcome to the channel. It's me, Russ. I'm on my way to the gritty city of Seattle. I got one little task I'm doing out there, and then I'm gonna stop by Fat Cat Records, because why not? Why wouldn't you? Creepy album covers. He thought I'd stop by Fat Cat Records, see what Frank's got for me. He knows some creepy album covers. I was over here in the CD area, and looks like he's got some extra stuff. He's got these $5 grab bags, 10 CDs, and they all have different genres to them. I thought that was cool. Some of the stuff he puts on the walls is pretty neat. There's a concert ticket, Black Sabbath, and autographed horn sleeve. Wanted to give a shout out to Chris Prophy of Musically Obsessed for kicking off this thread, show your creepy album covers. Under the glass, Frank has got the Beatles Yesterday and Today, the meat cover. Talk about creepy. The height of creepy album covers. I don't know, there's some that are creepier. What do you think, Frank?
I think that's pretty creepy.
It is creepy. They were just such clean-cut young boys. And Bruce's ass. That's pretty creepy. I like your Freddy's fan club, greatest hits. That's like creepy. I didn't know he had one hit, much less a greatest hits album that he could collect.
The album isn't terrifying, but the music is.
Kiss, there you go. Broken glass. Yeah. David Bowie. David Bowie's Diamond Dogs is always a little bit creepy. That was kind of a creepy album cover. Alice in Chains, Dirt. It's a little creepy. Look at this mummified woman right there.
Is it?
Yeah, right there on the cover of Dirt. I don't know if she's like buried in the shallow grave that came up when... This one's pretty creepy. I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Not even going to try. It's like someone's face has been cut off or something. Hotter than hell. UK original. Wow. This one's a little creepy. Oh, it's on there. You got that tagged to the wall. You don't want anybody pulling that off the wall. That's cool. Death Church. Some great punk stuff. All right, Frank, I'm out of here.
All right.
Halloween mixtapes. Looks like you need some more of those.
Yeah, I sold a ton of those.
Maybe I'll bring a few in for you. I like making mixtapes. Thick smoke. That's what that is. It's actually a clear day. Like a little clouds up there, but it's mostly smoke from the wildfires. And I'm home from Daybreak Records. Got this Rolling Stones Baker's Banquet for $1. Gonna give this a spin. So this is where I put my beat records. Put that on this. We got this. This is for the good records. That thing sounds amazing. But I was reminded we got this all-in-one unit from QVC. This has a dime. I put a diamond needle in it, so you can buy these. Link in description. And it improves the sound a little better than the crappy red tip that's in there that they came with. But anyway, I'm gonna give this a spin and. I wanted to do a couple of more album covers that are a bit creepy for me. So the most creepy Led Zeppelin album cover. This is just a little creepy, right? Like there's this thing. This is Led Zeppelin's Presence, right? So this thing is present amongst the family. Then there's this one. It's present in the school. And then it's a gatefold, so you got all these different, like, just what the heck is that thing? And it just seems creepy, right? Whatever that thing is. We don't know what it is. It's controlling these people. You just know it is. It's got some dark energy or something going on. So yeah, Led Zeppelin Presence. Creepy. That weird idol thing. Anyway, another one for me, this was back in the 80s. Great record. Randy Rhoads. Man, tell you what, Over the Mountain, Flying High Again, You Can't Kill Rock and Roll, Diary of a Madman. So this record was a little creepy for me, especially growing up a Christian kid. This got an upside down cross on the album cover. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. I got a little creepy. They put upside down crosses in horror movies. That's a satanic thing. I don't know, man. But there he is, Ozzy Osbourne, doing his thing. Diary of a Madman. In the haunted house, like in the candles up there all melty and stuff. Ozzy with the makeup looking like a zombie right there. Creepy. Alright, so what did I get? So look, here's what I got, Dana. Look, it's Dad Rock Road Trip. That's what he named. They were all like categorized. One was like 90s stuff, and this is Dad Rock Road Trip. So I'm not. Alright. I've been accused of liking Dad Rock. I'm a Gen Xer. But I'm an old Gen Xer, right? So it's after if you're born in 1965 or before, you're a boomer. I was born in 1968. So technically, I'm a Gen Xer. But yeah, my friends that grew up, in the 90s, like they really like that 90s, they're Gen Xers too. Oh, this is cool. Ocean's 11 soundtrack. That's the original soundtrack. I think we have Ocean's 11 2 soundtrack or something. Rod Stewart. This is Rod Stewart. 80s Rod Stewart. I think we have this record. Don Henley. The End of Innocence. That's a good CD. This whole pack was $5, by the way. The Drumsticks for Dancers. I don't know what this is. I've never heard of that. That's interesting. Oh, here we go, Dana. Dorsey and Sinatra. This song's for you. Frank Sinatra. I like that. So far, we're doing pretty good. It's the next 5 CDs. There's another one. Dorsey and Sinatra. This must be a 2 CD set. Yep, Volume 1 and Volume 2. Right there. What is this? Opera Goes to Hell. Speaking of creepy. That's interesting. Opera Goes to Hell. Faust. That's very like German stuff. EMI. I can't pronounce a lot of this. Some of it's the chorus is Ballet from the Underworld. I'm gonna give that a spin. That's interesting. Right there. Garth Brooks. Got a Garth Brooks CD, Dana. I watch more of the Garth Brooks than I am.
I like all the CDs so far.
Yeah? Ooh, this is a great... Oh, I like this. This is some gold right here. James Brown gold. Right there. Yeah! That's not bad, right?
That's pretty
Huh?
good.
My James Brown. A little bit? Love me some James Brown. What has he got on here? It's a live thing of James Brown. Give it up. Turn it loose. Get on the good foot, cold sweat, hot pants. I got a feeling. I got you. I feel good. I feel good. Feel good. Yeah. Feel good. James Brown. Sex Machine. Super Bad. Try Me. This is beautiful right here. And the last one is Eric Clapton, Back Home. Hey, that's not bad for a mystery bag of CDs, huh? Yeah, $5 for all those. I like it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. If you're new, like the video. I mean, you made it this far. It helps us out a lot. If you have a channel, just comment and say some stuff. I'll subscribe to your channel. Heck, I'll even hit that like button on your videos. But if you don't have a channel, or you don't, just, I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do in your life, but if you like the video, I mean, if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and hunker down. Hit that like button, and it would just change my life. Not very significantly, but a little incremental dewdrop. It would change my life, a dewdrop. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey birds. Happy Halloween. Raisins and mixed nuts. There you go. There you go, birds. There you go.